Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 9, that is soil. In the previous lectures, we had discussed about the soil, the importance of soil, the formation of soil, and also the soil profile and the different layers of soil. And in the previous lecture, that is yesterday's lecture, we had discussed the different types of soil. Now today we are going to discuss about the properties of soil. So there are mainly three properties of soil today we are going to discuss. The number one is percolation rate, means if we pour water on the soil, or if we throw water on the soil, then how much time it will take to go inside. So it will vary from it will vary from soil to soil. The next is absorption of water. The next is absorption of water, that how much soil is able to absorb water. And then the moisture in soil, that how much moisture is present in soil and how we will see that. So through activities we perform this type of these activities, and through this we learn about these different properties of soil. So first of all, we know there are different types of soil. So here is a very small activity Bujo and Paheli is doing. So they are doing the activity that they take same amount of water and choose two different places. One place, that is the Pakka road, one place that is the Kacha road, that the soil is there, and the other place is the cemented place, and they fall water on both the place. So after some time they observe that the place which is kacha, it absorbs the water, but the pakka, where is a cemented place, the water is not absorbed. So they try to understand that why this will happen. So this will happen because of percolation rate. So what is this percolation rate of water in a soil? So to understand that, we have to perform an activity. So first of all, we have to divide our friends and us in three groups, that is group A, B, C. And then we here try to understand how fast water passes down in the soil. So here, to perform this activity, we need to take a hollow cylinder or pipe, and we have to take care of that these three pipes are the same diameter. The diameter must be same. This is called the diameter. Suppose if it is a pipe, so this is the diameter. This should be same in the all three pipes. So here in their book some given some help is given, that you can take a what can you say, you can take a this type of thing, and you can cut the bottom, so it will become a hole, it will become a pipe like structure. So you have to take three types of this type of packet, three types of things you can take, that is the tin can, and then it will become a pipe. You can use this, or you can buy from market, that is PVC, polyvinyl cardboard. Plastic pipes are there, they are used nowadays in our household work or in our house. So we have to take this, but we have to take care that in polyvinyl carbide pipe, there the diameter is 5 centimeter. Okay, and then we put these pipes under the inside the ground, from where we are collecting the soil sample. So after doing this, we have to take a jar which is of the same amount of measurement, that is 200 ml of water. We need to take a small amount of jar in which 200 ml of water can be adjusted, and then we start pouring the water in the pipes, and we have to take care that this water will not fall out of the pipe. It should go through the pipe in the soil, and then we record the time, that how much time it will take for that amount of water, 200 ml of water, to go inside the soil. And to find the percolation rate of soil, there is a formula. The formula is percolation rate of time equal to amount of water by percolation time. That is how many minutes it will take the water to go inside. Suppose here we are taking 200 ml of water, and suppose if it takes 20 minutes, so 200 divided by 20 equal to 10 ml per minute. So this is the formula through which we can get the percolation rate of water. Now comes the next property of water, that is moisture in soil. Next property of soil, that is moisture in soil, or the amount of water present in soil. So here, to understand that, we have to perform an activity. But what is this moisture thing is, in the summer season, if you go close to the farmland, the area where we are doing farming, so we will observe the air close to the farmland is shimmering. शिमरिंग मीन्स आप जब देखोगे तो यहाँ पे ऐसा लगेगा कि जैसे हवा जो है बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होकर के इधर उधर हिल रही, ठीक है, थोड़ा अजीब सा हवा दिखेगा वहाँ पे. सो इसको कहते हैं शिमरिंग. So here we have to do an activity. So what is the activity? To perform this activity, we have to take a boiling tube and then some amount of soil. You can say 2 spoonful of soil, and put that soil into the tube and start boiling it. After some time, we will find that in the upper surface of the upper and inner surface, that is a cooler surface of that boiling tube, water droplets are there, or you can say water is there. So what is happening? Because of the heat, the water from the soil comes upside and they just stick on the inner wall of the tube, boiling tube. So this shows that moisture is also present in the soil. So here we can understand from this that in the summer season, because of the heat, the moisture comes from the soil, and this vapor start reflecting the sunlight, and that is why the phenomena of shimmering we can observe in the summer in the farmlands. So we can compare these things from between the soil of one place to the other place. We can compare these things. Now next is, and the final property is absorption of water by soil. So to understand this absorption of water by soil, we have to perform an activity. Here we need to take a plastic beaker, then we need a funnel, and we need some filter paper or newspaper, and then we have to fold it. We have to fold the newspaper. We have to fold the newspaper like this. Like this, we have to fold the newspaper, and we have to put into the funnel. And in this funnel, what we need to do? We need to put some soil. 50 gram of dry powdered soil we need to put here. After doing this, what we need to do? We need to take a measuring cylinder in which we take some amount of water, and after taking that amount of water, we start pouring into the soil by the help of a dropper, drop by drop, and not only at one place. We have to put water everywhere in that soil. Means in this funnel type of thing, the soil is everywhere, so you have to put drop by drop everywhere in this soil, and we have to wait till the drops of water is not coming from the point. We have to keep dropping the water with the help of a dropper. So after some time, we will see that drops of water start coming out from the bottom of this thing. So at that moment we have to stop, and now we have to start calculating the whole process. The whole process means we have to take the measuring cylinder and we have to see that the amount of water initially we had taken and now the amount of water in the measuring cylinder. So here there is a process of calculation of this whole thing. So here weight of soil is 50 gram. Suppose we took the 50 gram of soil, then initial weight of water in the measuring cylinder is suppose u gram or u ml of water. Then the final amount of water in the measuring cylinder is v ml of water. Now we divide from u to v. We divide v from u. From u we divide v, and then whatever we get the amount of water absorbed in the soil. So that much amount of water is absorbed by the soil, and we can find the percentage of this water absorbed also. The formula is u minus v by the amount of soil, that is 50 gram into 100. So through this formula we will find out the percentage of water absorbed in the soil. So this way we can repeat this experiment with different types of soil. Like first we can do with sandy soil, then we can do with clay soil, then we can do with loamy soil. So in this way we will able to understand that which soil has the highest capacity of water absorbing, which has the lowest capacity. So this way we understood that why after rain the amount of water increase in the pond, because everywhere water is there and from everywhere the water is start percolating inside the soil and gradually it is flowing towards the pond, and also on the upper surface the water will flow and come in the pond also. In the well also water is percolating and collecting in the well. Same way water is absorbed by the soil also. So this is the way through which we understand that how the properties of soil affect the presence of water in the soil, and this water we use it also by the name of underground water. So class, I hope you are able to understand the different properties of water, that is percolation rate of water, amount of water or moisture present in the soil, and absorption of water in the soil. So these are the three main properties of water we had discussed in this lecture. We discussed right now in this lecture. So class, go through this lecture again and again. If any problem, ask me. I will help you class. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.